Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing draping and a balloon garland and I hope you guys enjoy. When I decided to do the video, I noticed that I didn't have any pink or green balloons. So I ordered some quickly from Amazon. These are party hoop balloons. Now, if you are doing an event, I would probably use Quadratech or Tuffatechs because I believe they are better quality. However, if you're in a rush, party hoop is the way to go. First, I'm going to start off with making a balloon garland. I did not get all the steps, but I have several videos already posted on how to begin a balloon garland. If you would like to know how to actually do a balloon garland, I have several videos already posted about that. So I'm going to do the balloon garland real quick and then I'm going to get into the draping. When you get ready to start your balloon garland, it's your choice whether you want to use fishing line or a 260 cube balloon. I prefer fishing line. I think it's more easier, but it's whatever it is that you are more comfortable with. All right, so the first step to draping is to get your pipe and drape kit, which will have uprights and crossbars. This is a crossbar, what I'm putting on here right now. This is, of course, to hang your drapes. Don't forget to grab you these hangers because you will need these to hang your other crossbar. And I will do my best to make sure I link all of the items below. Here I have 2 drapes on the back and I have 4 drapes on the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the drape where I want it on the upright first, and then I'm just going to gather it from the bottom and tie it with a pipe cleaner. Okay, great. This is a great example. I'm going to place my drape on the upright where I would like it to be, and then I'm gonna gather it from the bottom, and then I'm gonna take my pipe cleaner and tie it onto the upright. Next, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Hello everyone, it's me again. I just want to say thanks so much for watching the video. Please consider subscribing, and you have a great day because you are great, and don't let anyone tell you you're not.